This is our first entry into the graphite business. It's the KBS Tour hybrid prototype. What we do is we develop our product on tour and then we bring it to the marketplace. This has been a real learning experience for us. In studying the hybrids, we found out quickly there were some things that we could do that were totally different than what everybody else was doing. Our competitors are used to making wood shafts primarily, and they view this as a wood, and therefore it's much less stable than the way we did it. We wanted to develop a shaft that would react exactly the same that our irons does. It's designed in a way that the shots that are less than pure are not going to have quite as bad results. And it has to do with the stability of the shaft.
It's crazy how well you hit that thing.
This is without question the fastest growing shaft on tour. It's our first week on tour, which was the Barclays. During the FedEx, we actually had 8 players switch. In fact, the player that won it was one of the players that switched into this hybrid shaft. This hybrid shaft's stiffness profile is the exact same stiffness profile as a KBS Tour. The modes have a little bit more amplitude because the shaft is longer, but in terms of the stiffness profile of the shaft, it's very similar to a KBS Tour. So in going from the irons to this shaft, there's absolutely no corrections that you need to make. If you're an S plus in a KBS Tour, you're going to be an S plus in the hybrid. We offer this product in the 85 and 95 grams, in the S plus, and the X. When we get to the 65 and 75, we're going to go RS and X. In the higher weights, we are going to have them at every 5 cycle increments. You know, a lot of times I've been accused of making golf shafts for nothing but the better players, and that could not be further than the truth. What the KBS Tour hybrid prototype is going to do for the average player as well as the accomplished player is that it is going to tighten up their dispersion. In terms of those shots that are less than pure, a less accomplished player hits more of those than an accomplished player. And those are the shots that the product is going to help you on. And it has to do with the stability of the product and the fact that on those shots that are less than perfect, the ramifications are not going to be nearly as bad.